Ito ang Mornings with GMA Regional TV.
After 6 years, she is set to make her teleserye comeback in GMA Network as she's currently working afternoon prime series, Babawiin Ko Ang Lahat. And to share her excitement with us about her newest project in the Kapusong Network, mga kapuso, please welcome movie and TV actress Tanya Garcia! Maya paabak, Miss Tanya! Welcome to Mornings with GMA Regional TV!
At good morning po sa lahat ng mga kapuso natin na nanonood ngayon.
Ako po, how are you po and what's keeping you busy these days?
I'm okay, my family and I are okay. We're blessed and thankful na okay kami, healthy kami ngayon 2021. And I'm just busy being a mom to my 3 beautiful daughters.
And what is your favorite thing to do with your kids?
Kami ng daughters ko, mahilig kami mag-bake, magluto. Ayan, yun yung mga bondings namin. At saka manood ng mga series together.
Let's take a look back, Tanya, ha? Can you describe what influenced you to pursue a career in showbiz?
Actually, nung nag-start ako, bata pa kasi ako, I was like 16, mga ganyan. Sobrang mahiyain ako, and then someone spotted me and then brought me to a network. And parang nung time na yon, syempre parang okay, hindi ka pa masyadong serious, 'di ba? Parang okay, makikita mo yung sarili mo sa TV. So during the first few years, medyo parang laro-laro lang, and then after a while, syempre matututunan mong mahalin kasi yung job mo, 'di ba? Yung work mo, yung craft mo.
Nako, Tanya, ito na ha. Babawiin Ko Ang Lahat serves as your Kapuso comeback after 6 years.
Yeah.
What excites you about doing shows in the Kapuso Network?
Of course, dahil never naman sila nawala sa puso ko. GMA 7 will always have a special place in my heart because of Sana Ikaw Na Nga, di ba? And then, katulad ng sinabi ko, kahit yung 6 years na nawala ako, parati pa rin sila nag-o-offer and ako yung nagde-decline na hindi ko kaya. And then when Babawiin Ko Ang Lahat offer came, I read the script and actually, ang storya dito, dapat guest role lang to. Dapat short lang siya, pero memorable role talaga at saka medyo yung character kailangan talaga. And then, nung after a few tapings namin, siguro, I don't know, baka yung management rin or the writers, nakita nila na kailangan talaga yung role ni Christine bumalik. So they asked me, sabi, is it okay na i-extend namin yung character mo and babalik yung role mo kasi, parang ganon. So parang magiging all throughout, parang nandyan siya, si Christine. So sa mga lahat na nag-aabang at nagtatanong sa akin kung kailan ako babalik, eto na po mga kapuso. Kaya please supportahan nyo, panoorin nyo ang Babawiin Ko Ang Lahat. And aside from that, it's something really fresh and intriguing because this is the first time that John Estrada, Miss Carmina, and I will be working with each other. Tapos, fresh na fresh pa si Pauline Mendoza, ang ating leader dito sa Babawiin Ko Ang Lahat. So yan, mga kapuso, I'm sure makaka-relate kayo because it's a very family-oriented show. And alam mo naman tayo mga Pilipino, we're very plannish, di ba? Gagawin natin ang lahat para sa ating mga pamilya. Kaya makaka-relate talaga kayo dito.
Nako naman, nakaka-excite! Nagkalasalamat, Tanya! And lastly, anong mensahe mo para sa ating mga kapuso dito sa North Central Luzon, especially sa mga kapuso at fans na sobrang na-miss ka na dito sa GMA?
Sa mga kapuso natin, please stay safe. Be healthy and please supportahan nyo ang Babawiin Ko Ang Lahat. At maraming salamat po sa lahat mga nagba-message na sa akin ngayon pa lang. Nagko-congratulate. Maraming salamat po and please be safe.
Have a great day, Tanya, and stay safe!
Yes!
Magbabalik ang Mornings with GMA Regional TV.
Ito ang Mornings with GMA Regional TV.